How to save video from CapCut to gallery. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's learn to save video from CapCut to gallery. So without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch CapCut app on your device and make sure that you log in or sign in. Now you can simply choose a particular project from the existing project or create one by tapping on new project and selecting any photo or video that you want to save on your gallery. So let's open any existing project. Once you are done with editing all this particular video, you can tap on export at top right corner of your screen. Now you need to simply wait for a while until the video has been exporting. And once it is done, you can easily tap on done button or instead you can share to TikTok or the other social media platform. So let's select done and you can open gallery. And as you can see that we have successfully saved this CapCut video to gallery. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comments and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.